This video is to show you how to create a label and then set criteria to send certain emails to that label to keep your inbox clear. So the first thing you can do is go to, on your little sidebar, create new label. I've already created the label for the photos group, but it's pretty easy to do. You just go ahead and create it and put what you want it to be called. And if you want to nest it, you can. But as you can see, I already have, if I scroll through here, I already created this photos at coachat.org label. Here it is. So the next thing you're going to do once you create that label is you're going to go into your settings. So you click the gear, settings, and then go to filters and blocked addresses. And you're going to go to create new filter. And you want it to, any email coming into photos at coachat.org, you want to go to that folder. So you would go ahead and create filter, and then you're going to skip the inbox because you don't want it to come to your inbox. You could create mark as read if you want, if you don't like having thousands of unread emails, which I do, and I don't mind that. But anyway, and then you're going to go ahead and apply the label that you choose. So we're going to pick the photos at coachat.org label. So from there, you can go ahead and create that filter. And from now on, anytime anybody emails photos at coachat.org, it will go to that folder. So then whenever you're ready to collect those photos, you can just go over on your sidebar to that label, put them into Flickr, whatever you need to do with them. So I recommend doing this. It'll be great for your inbox. Let me know if you have any questions.